Stay lit, unpacking the phrase. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we're diving into a fun and popular English slang expression, stay lit. It's not just about lights, but about a mood, a vibe, and energy. Let's unravel the layers behind this phrase and learn how to use it in our conversations. Stay lit is a combination of two words, stay and lit. At the most basic level, stay means to remain in a particular state or condition. Lit is a slang term that originally comes from the word light. However, in slang, it means exciting, cool, or excellent. Together, stay lit means to remain in an exciting or vibrant state. It can also be a way to tell someone to keep their energy up and maintain their positive mood. This expression is mainly used among younger generations and in informal settings. If someone had a great time at a party, they might say the party was lit. So, if someone tells you to stay lit, they are essentially wishing you to continue having a good time or to keep up your positive energy. However, as with many slang terms, it's always crucial to understand the context. It might not be appropriate in more formal situations or with people who might not be familiar with the slang. To give you a clearer idea, here are a few examples. 1. After a fantastic beach day with friends, one might say, "Today was awesome. Let's stay lit and continue the fun tonight." 2. If someone is heading to a concert, you might tell them, "Stay lit and enjoy every moment." 3. After a productive brainstorming session, a team member might say, "That was a lit discussion. Let's stay lit and bring these ideas to life." And there you have it, dear learners. Stay lit is all about keeping up that positive, vibrant energy. It's a wonderful expression to sprinkle into your informal conversations and spread good vibes. We hope this video sheds light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, stay lit and keep learning.